here. Those are all chairs. Somebody built a Stonehenge looking round table with a altar style fire pit at the middle. I'm telling you what, campers are cool. Alright, this is what you probably don't care to see, but for those who might, we'll go ahead and do it. This potato sat on hot coals for exactly 1 hour and 15 minutes. Don't be disgusted by that. It's just a little burn right there. Guarantee you, I've done this a bunch. That guy is soft and sweet in the middle. Hold on, sorry about the camera. I'm not a pro. Ooh, and it's hot as lava. Tastes good. Ooh, this is a treat that we've been wanting to see. Juicy, shiny, flavorful. Looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite out of it. Get some of that extra charcoal off. No big deal. If I had proper tools, that wouldn't have been an issue. I'll prepare ahead next time. Plan ahead and prepare. It's the first rule of leave no trace. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see because of the way my headlamp is. If I put the camera at the headlamp, you'll just see bright light. So sorry you don't get to see the bite. Oh my God. So that light is making it look a lot redder than it actually is. To me, it looks a good medium well. I know the camera light's making it look a little redder than it really is. But man, that tastes amazing. It's juicy and flavorful. Oh my God. It's so good. Oh yeah. You don't even taste it. It doesn't feel like you're eating wood fibers at all. It tastes like the best grilled steak I've ever had in my life. Oh my God. I'm gonna do this at home. Guys, this is good. This is really good. Like, I worked in some high-end restaurants. I know a good steak. This steak has flavor. Okay, you probably don't want to hear all my gross chewing noises. Over and out.